Listen carefully, Sonic. You have a power unlike anything I've ever seen. This world is on the far side of the universe. You should be safe there.
I don't want to go without you.
You must. These rings will be your most important possession. Never stop running. Now go!